Hello friends, in this video I'm going to tell you how to add Instagram profile link to your Google My Business profile listing, right? As you can see, I am into my Google My Business profile. I have searched my business name in Google, or you can search for my business and your profile would appear over here if you have logged in using the same Gmail ID from which you have created your business profile. And here there is an option of editing the profile. You just need to click on this and scroll down, and here we get an option of social profile. And as you can see, it is a new feature, it is a beta feature. So if that particular feature is not available in your edit profile, then don't be panicked. It would be available soon to all business profiles, as Google is experimenting on this. As you can see, in my another business listing, I don't have that particular feature, so don't be panic. It would be available soon to all users. You just need to click on edit button, and you can click on add social profile, and you can select whatever the social profile you want to add. And as I'm willing to add my Instagram profile, so I have selected the Instagram and have simply entered the Instagram profile link and will click on save, and my Instagram profile link would be added in my Google business profile. If you want to learn digital marketing course in detail, then kindly check out our video description. I have mentioned my website link over there. Just simply visit to our website, explore our digital marketing course, and you can purchase the course from there. Thank you so much.
If you want to learn digital marketing for free, then subscribe Digital Bikana YouTube channel right now.